using these few divs, let us discuss CSS Flex. We go to styles, dot box, then div. So we can do a curly brace. Let's give it the width. So we can give it a width of, let's say, 50 pixels. Okay. Then a height of 60 pixels too is okay. So we can give it a border. Let's make it a border solid. Is okay. So we can go straight and target the box. Dot box. Nice. So you can actually make the display now flex. Display on flex. Nice. So give it a gap. Give a gap of FPS. That's nice. And we can do a direction. Place direction of column. All is well. Thanks for watching. Bye.